Hi and welcome. Thanks for joining me today. I am going to unbox the Beautylish Luckybag, just the regular, not the XL. I live in Canada and only the regular is available to Canadians for $130. So I'm really excited. I've been watching unboxing videos, so I have a few, I guess, ideas about what might be in here. It's taking me a really long time to go through my current stash. Okay, that said, I'm just gonna randomly open up the bag and just see what I get without looking. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's always packaged so beautifully. Just like that. There's like a piece of kind of art paper on top. Okay, so out looking, what do I get? Now I've done this once before and last year I was really happy with my lucky bag. So hopefully we can get some luck this year. But I guess we will find out. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna grab something small. I think this is gonna be a lip product. Color Fluid. What is this? Color Fluid by Hindash. Okay. I don't follow Hindash, so I'm not familiar with like the products that he came out with. Let's see, Canvas, Color Fluid Ultra Matte. I think this is like an eye primer. It looks really pretty. Hindash Extreme Color Payoff, ultra thin and lightweight. Lifting effect, super smooth, non-tacky. There's just cracking and fallout. Okay, I've not seen anyone get this. I'm kind of excited, but I just don't know what it is. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a... It looks like a concealer, actually. And I don't have a huge backup of concealers right now, so that's okay. I just want to know what it is. I'll have to... It feels really velvety and nice. This is a really nice product. I'm actually really excited. Okay, so we'll look into that later as to what the retail cost is of that. I have brushes. I think it's going to be the unit brush set. I got a brush set last year and the brushes are okay. They're fine. They do the trick. Sometimes they're a little too soft almost to pick up pigment, so they're not my favorite. Yeah, so this is the Beautylish brand. I don't know. They're all kind of like fluffy variations of tapered fluffy brushes. This pencil one looks good. But okay. That is fine. I just have a lot of brushes, so I might pass this along to a friend. But it doesn't seem to be a bad product, so I'm okay with that. But for me personally, I don't know that I will keep it. That's okay. I feel something heavy. I'm gonna guess this is the Good Mol. Yes, it is. Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. Okay, I like Good Molecules as a brand. I have a really good cleanser from them. This is exactly the same product I got last year in my lucky bag, and I'm just about to open it. I haven't gone through it yet, so I actually might give this to my sister and not keep that. Not because I think it's a bad product, but because I literally have this exact product that I still need to work through. I was pregnant, and so I could not use glycolic toners, so I'm a little behind. Okay. I have the Luxury Cream Lipstick by Wayne Goss in the color Macadamia. I was going to say Magnolia, which I do have, but I do not have Macadamia. So this is just a just a nice kind of, what is this, like a nudie beige? Let's see. It's like a warm, muted, it's like an orangey beige. It could either be really nice or really unflattering on me. I'm not sure, but I'm willing to give it a go. I'm excited that it's not a color I already have, so that is very exciting. And then, not looking. Okay, I feel something. I'm gonna guess this is the Charlotte Tilbury palette. Yes, Easy Eye Palette for the Charlotte Daring look. Okay, so now the problem with this, well, not the problem, like, I think this is a really good item to come in a Lucky Bag. However, the shades are quite light, very neutral. Again, good for other people, but I feel like, oh, actually, no, this is super cute. It looked like it was going to be lighter than it is, but it's actually, sorry, I'm out of focus. It's actually really good, like, color depth for my complexion. It kind of reminds me of the Naked Heat palette, which I almost bought last year, even though it's been out forever, and I did not. So I'm actually really pumped about this. It's compact, and I like these sort of Charlotte Tilbury products rather than the quads. I think these are higher quality. The formula is just a little bit nicer in my opinion. So I'm really excited about this. Okay, awesome. What else do I have? Okay. Let's see, what's this? Oh, Wayne Goss lip product. Vintage Pink. This is going to be a lip liner, and I do really like wooden lip liners, so I am excited. Wayne Goss Essential Lip Pencil, Vintage Pink. This looks really similar to some other Wayne Goss lip pencils that I own already, like the nude ones. Wow, that is a really good color match for the lipstick. Okay. So I like that it's a perfect color match for the lipstick. That was obviously intentional. I like that it's Wayne Goss. I'm not sold on the color because I don't know yet if it'll be flattering me. If it is, then awesome, win for me. If it's not flattering, I'll pass it along to someone with a different complexion, and then hopefully it'll work for them. Okay, box down. Last product, the Hydrate and Repair Scalp and Hair Mask Kit. It says $60 Canadian value. Okay, I am excited about this. Actually, I like the products from Briogeo that I've tried, and I have drier hair. So it's a deep conditioning mask, a moisture hair mask, and a tea tree cooling hydration scalp mask. This is the kind of product that I will use up. It's not just going to sit around. It'll take me maybe like a year to use them, but I like things that I can actually work my way through. And my hair is quite dry from being colored, so I am pumped about this actually. Let me just make sure that I don't have anything else in here. I think that's it based on the number of products. Yes. Okay, that is all she wrote. So I'm gonna quickly look up the totals of everything, and then I'll be back to share this with you. So I am back with the total. A couple things. One, I slipped the Wayne Goss Macadamia Luxury Cream Lipstick on. It's just like a pretty nude. I think it works for me, so I am quite happy with this color. Yeah, no, I got really lucky because I have a lot of Wayne lipsticks, so I am super pumped that this is a color that works for me. I was worried it'd be a little too concealer lips, but I think it works. I might play with different lip liners to kind of change the tone a bit, but that's okay. That product works. And then I did a little research on this Hindash product, Canvas. I didn't see it listed as a color that they currently have, but essentially it was marketed as like a multi-purpose product to create a monochromatic look. So it said use it like on the eyes, face, contour, to do this, to that. I'm obviously not going to contour with this, but it is pretty enough, light enough on me that I could use it as a bit of concealer, I could use this eye primer. Like I said, it feels really velvety and smooth, so I'm excited to play with this product. It's something that I wouldn't have necessarily tried or purchased on my own. So the value of this one is $32 on Beautylish, and these prices are all going to be Canadian. So we've got $32 for this. The Wayne Goss Luxury Lipstick retails for $36. The complimentary pencil retails for $18. The Charlotte Tilbury I want to say quad eye palette retails for $77 Canadian, and there are 2 color variations of this, and the other one was the one that I thought was more a little bit light for me, but this one is going to be perfect, so I'm really happy with this palette. And then the Briogeo products are $39 Canadian right now. The glycolic toner retails for $19 Canadian. And then, what was my last product? It is the brushes. Okay, the units brushes, and these retail for $41. Okay, so that brings the total value to $260 Canadian for the box. So if you look at it like that, then yes, I definitely got my money's worth in terms of that. However, if we deduct the couple of products that I don't think I'm going to use, namely the $19 or $20 toner, which I'll pass along. Again, not a bad product, but just for me personally, it's not something that I would have spent money on, being that I already have it. And then we deduct the brushes. Like I said, I have so many Sigma brushes primarily. I still have my brushes from last year, and other than this little like pencil brush, I don't really need any of these shapes. So I might just give it to my sister, like I said. And so we subtract $40 for that. We're subtracting $60 Canadian, which brings the total of my box to $200, which is still more than the $130 that I spent. So, final thoughts. Is it worth it? I'm happy. I'm happy with my box. I am. I didn't get super lucky. I think I enjoyed my box last year more because I liked every product in it. Everything was new to me. Not so much in this box, but that's okay. That's kind of half the fun, is not knowing. And I think that, you know, the fact that it was like the lowest value product is what I got a repeat of. I am pretty lucky and pretty happy with that. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you got a box, if you think it was worth the value for yourself. If you have a channel, I would love to watch your unboxing. I love watching these Beautylish unboxing and seeing people's reactions and stuff like that. If you are looking for recommendations on Beautylish unboxings, I really enjoyed Angelica Nyquist's one. She got really, really lucky. I don't want to spoil it, but she got really lucky. And then Jen Loves Reviews got a box that she wasn't as happy with, so it's kind of like both ends of the spectrum. So I'd recommend watching those if this is kind of something you're into. But yeah, hopefully this was valuable for you, maybe informing you whether or not you want to try and join in as a Canadian next Boxing Day to purchase one of these. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.